Plant FAQs, Aeonium Garnet. Aeonium Garnet, a striking succulent with two-toned beauty. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to answer your questions about the Aeonium Garnet, a captivating succulent prized for its dramatic, two-toned rosettes. See more 91 species in genus Aeonium at monsteraholic.com. What is the Aeonium Garnet? The Aeonium Garnet is a captivating hybrid succulent, a cross between Aeonium Schwarzkopf and Aeonium tubuliforme, created by horticulturist Jack Catlin. It boasts a low-growing, mounding form, with large, rounded rosettes that steal the show. What makes the Aeonium Garnet special? The true magic of the Aeonium Garnet lies in its color. In bright sunlight, the rosettes transform into a mesmerizing spectacle. The outer edges develop a deep, rich bronze burgundy hue, while the center maintains a refreshing green. This striking contrast is what makes the Aeonium Garnet a standout among succulents. How big does the Aeonium Garnet get? Imagine a compact shrub reaching a mature height of 2 to 3 feet, with a similar spread. The Aeonium Garnet won't tower over your garden, but it will create a visually striking presence. How much light does the Aeonium Garnet need? To achieve its most vibrant coloration, the Aeonium Garnet craves plenty of bright, indirect sunlight. Aim for at least 6 hours of daily sun exposure. While it can tolerate some direct sun, especially in cooler climates, be mindful of harsh afternoon sun that might scorch the leaves. How do I water the Aeonium Garnet? Like most succulents, the Aeonium Garnet thrives on the soak and dry method. Allow the soil to dry completely between waterings. During the summer months, you might need to water every 1 to 2 weeks, but adjust based on your climate and pot size. In winter, watering can be reduced significantly. What kind of soil does the Aeonium Garnet prefer? Well-draining soil is paramount for the Aeonium Garnet. A succulent or cactus mix is ideal, or you can create your own by combining regular potting mix with perlite or sand for increased drainage. Is the Aeonium Garnet cold-hardy? The Aeonium Garnet can tolerate temperatures down to around 25 to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. However, it's best to protect it from frost and freezing conditions. If you live in a colder climate, consider bringing it indoors during winter or providing some form of protection. How do I propagate the Aeonium Garnet? The Aeonium Garnet offers 2 main methods for propagation: offsets and leaf cuttings. Offsets, or pups, are small rosettes that emerge at the base of the mature plant. You can gently remove these pups and pot them individually. Leaf cuttings involve removing healthy leaves, allowing them to callus over for a few days, and then planting them in a well-draining mix. Aeonium Garnet versus Aeonium Schwarzkopf. Both the Aeonium Garnet and Aeonium Schwarzkopf, black Aeonium, are popular choices for succulent enthusiasts. Here's a quick comparison. Color. Aeonium Garnet boasts a two-toned effect with deep burgundy edges and a green center, while Aeonium Schwarzkopf has a more uniform dark, almost black coloration. Growth habit. Aeonium Garnet tends to be a bit more compact and mounding, while Aeonium Schwarzkopf can become slightly taller and leggier. Light requirements. Both prefer bright, indirect sunlight, but Aeonium Schwarzkopf might tolerate slightly lower light levels. Ultimately, the choice depends on your preference. If you desire a more dramatic color contrast and a compact form, the Aeonium Garnet might be the perfect fit. Aeonium Garnet versus Aeonium arboreum. Another contender in the succulent world is the Aeonium arboreum, also known as the tree Aeonium. Let's explore the key differences. Size. Aeonium arboreum can reach much larger sizes, growing into a small tree-like succulent, while the Aeonium Garnet remains relatively compact. Form. Aeonium arboreum develops a more open, branching structure, while Aeonium Garnet maintains a denser, mounding form with rosettes clustered close together. Color. Aeonium arboreum typically has green rosettes, although some cultivars might have bronze or reddish hues, but they won't be as dramatic as the Aeonium Garnet. If you have limited space, the Aeonium Garnet's smaller stature makes it a more suitable choice. However, if you're looking for a statement succulent with a unique branching structure, the Aeonium arboreum might be more appealing. Conclusion. The Aeonium Garnet is a captivating succulent that offers the best of both worlds: stunning two-tone coloration and a manageable size. With its tolerance for bright light, well-draining soil, and infrequent watering, It's a relatively low-maintenance plant that rewards you with year-round visual interest. Whether placed in a container on a sunny patio or incorporated into a drought-tolerant rock garden, the Aeonium Garnet is sure to become a conversation starter and a cherished addition to your succulent collection.